Friends, I welcome you all in your online session of science. Today we are going to revise the first chapter of the science, that is food, where it comes from. In this chapter, our first topic is variation in the Indian food. As far as Indian food is concerned, we know different human beings in the different parts of India eat different types of food. For example, in Punjab, people would like to eat tandoori roti, pulses and seasonal vegetables. In Eastern India, people would like to eat fish and rice. Thirdly, in South, people would like to eat idli, dosa, sambar and etc. So, dear students, our next topic is what is food? As you all know, the basic necessity of our life is food. Without food, we cannot live. We can say, as far as definition is concerned, food, any substance that we eat and we get energy for our growth, repair and development of the body is called food. Next topic is what are ingredients? As you know, any material which are needed to prepare the food item is called ingredients. For example, for making chapati we require wheat flour, salt and water. Next topic is food variety. As the name suggests, variety in the food. You know, different types of people need different variety of food. For example, human beings require like meat, fish, rice, flour, etc. But goat like to eat grasses. As far as food variety is concerned, we can categorize human beings into two categories, vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Vegetarian are those human beings that eat vegetables, rice, etc. Non-vegetarians are those human beings that eat meat and other milk products. Let us revise our next topic, that is sources of food. We can write here sources of food like this. Sources of food. There are two sources of food. Number one, food from plants. And here, food from animals. Food from animals. Food from plants. From plants we get variety of food. For example, we get vegetables, we get pulses, we get cereals from plants. And from animals we get like butter, we get milk also, we get meat, etc. Let us discuss the food habits of the animals. As we know, as far as food eating habits are concerned, animals are classified into three categories. Like here. First one, herbivores. Number two, carnivores. And number three, omnivores. So, first one is herbivores. Those animals that eat only plant and plant products are called herbivores. For example, cow, goat, etc. Secondly, carnivores are those animals that eat the flesh of other animals. For example, lion, tiger, etc. And last we have omnivores. These are the animals that eat both plants and animal products are called omnivores. For example, human beings. This dog, then cat, etc. These are the examples of omnivores. Now, your revision of this chapter is completed. I hope you all will clear all these points. Keep revising. Thank you.